Hello YouTubers, it's Chris, and we are approaching Independence Day here, and I have just scored a PB 2100 Echo leaf blower from the dump. I can't imagine this thing's going to start right up. Being just freshly picked from the dump, it must have been deposited in the dump for some reason. Before I do anything, what I did do is, or I'm going to do, we'll go through it first here. Again, this is a Kioritz Corporation. Kind of reminds me of my my RedMax blower that I've posted in the past. But I took the before I do anything, I just took the old fuel filter out, and we'll stick a new fuel filter in, and then we'll just gas it up and see if it works. So I'm just going to kind of put that on there, pinch it on. Looks like it's fine. Poke it down in there. Air filter looks okay. So I'll get a little bit of this 50 to 1 premix, throw it in there, see what happens. All right. The fuel lines look in reasonably good shape, so I'm not going to mess around with them at all, but let's just see if it primes. Which way is choke? Jeez, doesn't say. Let's just take a look in here. We'll just leave this off for now. The fuel filter. Okay, so that's choke. Get some primes. All right, sounds like it's pumping. Interesting thing about this is you can adjust this here to kind of hold the throttle kind of in a high or low. So here it's kind of like high throttle, low throttle, or you can just use this manually. Make sure it's on, and I don't know, see what happens. Kicked. All right, well, that's encouraging. So let's take a look at this. So we just extricated the carb here. It's quite simple. There's 2 screws that hold it on, going right into here. And once you have it off, there's some small diaphragms, little galleys, and just little inlets and outlets. Just blow some carburetor cleaner through it. I put a new bulb on while I was here, primer bulb. Sounds like it's working much better. The other one was kind of cracking. Could have been a problem. Same thing on this side. Just blow everything through here. Clean these little jets out. I don't know. I picked up, these things came with some carb rebuild kit I bought a long time ago. I don't know, little brushes and stuff. Poked a few of those through there. So everything seems to be flowing okay. So we're just going to screw this back on, and we'll try it again. I think the only other thing that might have to be done is perhaps adjusting these high and low idle screws here, but we'll see. We're just going to leave them where they're set right now, having cleaned this up. Try it again. So we have it all back together now. Cleaned it up a little bit. We'll fire it up. One thing I just want to make a note of is the amazing similarities between this unit and my old RedMax. I guess they have some common blood, some common lineage. They're both made by Kioritz Corporation, which if you've seen the video for this, I go into the detail of the background and the history of that quite a bit. And I think somewhere along the line, Echo and Kioritz were somehow merged and mishmashed together. Of note, this is my best 2-cycle machine I've ever had. Always starts right up first try. There's videos out there you can see for yourself. But for now, I just want to start this guy up. Let's give it the old college try. So choke it. Give it a couple of primes. Choke it. Make sure it's on. That up. Come on, you. That's it. Does what it's supposed to do. Doesn't seem to wind up and rev as fast as the RedMax, but that's just the way it is. So yeah, nice thumb picked Echo PB 2100. Thanks for watching.